All right, I thought we would send this over to you here. It's a scan report we did, and we do these for people who are running Google Ads just to take a look at not only how their ads are running, but how their website and everything else is doing within their specific city. Now, what we did is we ran this, and you can see that any place that's green or light green, you're doing well. And if anybody is in the red, then that means you're not in the Google Business Profile, at least in the top 3. And you can see there's several other companies out there, some of them ranking above you and some of them ranking below you. So what we would like to do is, if you're interested in getting more jobs from both your Google Ads and from actually what's considered the maps in Google, by all means let us know and we can pick it up from there. What you can do is just click on the link and set up a Calendly appointment with myself, or give me a shout back on our cell and let's connect. Talk to you soon.